Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to see the best English books for beginners to advanced learners of the year 2024. Looking for the best English book to improve your language skills from beginners to advanced level in 2024? Look no further. Introducing English Mastery, a comprehensive guide to fluency. This book is designed to help you master the English language. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your proficiency. With a focus on practical exercises and real life examples, English Mastery covers grammar, vocabulary, and communication skills a clear and concise manner. Whether you are a student, professional, or a language enthusiast, this book is your go-to resource for all things English. Don't waste any more time searching for the perfect English book. English Mastery has got you covered. Get your hands on copy today and take your English skills to the next level. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon